Guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. I just received my order from a Cherry on Top. Now, this is my very first order from them. I ordered this back in December, like right after Christmas. And it was shipped January 21st. I just got it today now. In all fairness, we've had a little bit of inclement, not a little bit, in all fairness, we've had some inclement weather over the past few weeks, but I'll just say, I understand what you all mean now when you say that. Do not be in a hurry to receive your items. So let me go ahead and show you the things that I ended up getting. So now the beauty of this sale is everything that I'm going to show you, I got it for 50 cents each, okay? So one of the first things I first got were these Sticko stickers. They're very reminiscent of another one. It's like black and then it has this foil, but these are larger. I love these because these can be used on just everything. I don't care what you're doing, modern, vintage, whatever, you can use these. So then I got some of this paper. This is Reminiscence Crete Grease. I just love this sheet. I love this. This is nice. Beautiful colors, just grease. I love it. And then here's the back of it. So, I mean, this is just normal. It's just a photo, but this is just so relaxing and so adorable. Then I got myself some of this photo play. This is Wildflower Dream. This is Shine On. I like this a lot. This is pretty. This is the front. Here's the back. This is just so pretty to me. Just beautiful. Really pretty. Then I think the rest of what I got are some bow bunnies. I like this one. Now they don't have they have numbers on them now. They don't have the name of it, but still, this is a beautiful piece of paper. I love the colors. So nice. And I love how this trim is decorated because you can take and use this as well. So like that. I am a butterfly person. I love this sheet. I realize that a lot of these Bow Bunny pages in A Colorful Story are just versions and hues of the butterfly, but can't help it. I still love it. I just love it. This is pretty. Got this. These are so pretty. They're just pretty. I like the back of this. I was about to look for the name, but once again, don't have it. It's the number. These colors are gorgeous to me. Okay. I got this one. All of this is out of A Colorful Story, though. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So nice. And here's the final sheet that I got. It's pretty. Okay. Also, really quick, from OfficeSupply.com, I had picked up these 2 repositional fabric tapes from 49 and Market. Like a lot of people, I had received the mystery box and I really liked the tape in there, so I went back and got some more of these about a week or so. And these are the ones that I got. This is, which one is this called? This is called Wherever. This one is called Spectrum Gardenia, which kind of goes along with a lot of this, if you think to me, which is one of the reasons I ended up thinking about it. Once again, this is fabric tape. What goes in here? What is this? Okay. Okay. I see it. Nice box, too. Really sturdy box. But because of these butterflies, it made me think about these. And so, let me see. This is pretty. Yep, that's why I thought about it. Can't you see? This is so pretty. I might have to get some more of these. This is really nice. Okay? These are gorgeous. And they feel good too. That's one. Then here's another one. This is pretty. Just has a real sophisticated look to it to me. And like I said again, in my mind, I wasn't thinking about these until I actually looked at the papers, which made me think about them. Okay. See how they just all kind of tend to blend in together? See? Really pretty. Looking at this paper made me think about these. See? Oh, I really like this. I really like this big, large one. This is gorgeous. Look at there, see? So pretty. Wow. Not that they just go together, but, depending upon what I'm doing. Look. Wow. This is nice. Very nice. But then this sheet made me think about this. See? Pretty. Oh my gosh, pretty. I just like this. This is really, really nice. Well, that concludes my A Cherry on Top haul with a small splash of $49 in market from officesupply.com. I think when these go back on sale again, I'm going to have to get me some of these. I haven't even opened it up until just now. But I'm going to have to grab myself some of these. And you know what? As you all are starting to receive your packages, I can't wait to see what you all have too. So everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. As I always say, your safety is really of great importance, especially through this inclement weather. If you be so kind as to like, share, and subscribe, and come back and see me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much. Take care.